Hey, good morning friends, happy Friday. It is Sam from Maryland Magnet Fishing and Metal Detecting. Also, it's Christmas Eve. I'm out at a brand new spot today. This is a boat ramp, and then there's a fishing pier over here. This place is only about 15 minutes from my house. I've always been kind of leery about going here because it's in a sketchy part of town, but I figured, it's cold out. Hopefully nobody will be here. Reason I got this scarf on is because it's cold, and I had a massive heart attack 4.5 years ago, and cold weather really puts a strain on my heart. So let me get this GoPro on, and I'm hoping I can find some good stuff today. Before I forget, I will try to put the 10% off coupon for Brute Magnetics down in the comments, and also please go back and watch all the I think I've done 18 shout out videos, and if you guys have a YouTube channel, I encourage you to do the same thing. So anyhow, let me get this on and see what I can find here. Now hopefully I'm not sure. Cat Mare and I are supposed to go out Monday, but I checked the weather. Not only is it supposed to be cold, but it's also supposed to rain. So I mentioned maybe we could go Sunday, because I'm off today for Christmas Eve, and then I've got Monday off for Christmas Day. So I don't know what the heck this table's doing here. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm getting anything down here. It just seems like it's all rocks. I mean, I figured worst case, if I get, whoa, daggone. Look at that magnetic rock and a giant washer. Oh, geez. This thing don't want to come off here. And there's a lot of people that have launched boats. I guess they're out here goose hunting today, goose duck hunting. But I figured, if I get run out of here, I got a couple other spots I could go to close to my house. Like I said, I'm maybe like 15 minutes down the road from here, so hopefully don't get chased out here by the cops. Went back to switch out my batteries and found this on the surface, so I can use this to attach to my cheapy grappling hook to give it some extra weight. I think I'll be able to top what I did last Friday with pulling up on them bottle caps or the knives. And actually, that one knife I did pull up, it cleaned up pretty nice. I mean, I can't find any kind of like manufacturer's info on it, but it's a free knife. Took an edge pretty good. So what the heck? What the heck? Ah, somebody's USB charging cable. That's a first. I've never found one of them before. Battery. Always find a battery some a-hole throws overboard. Fishing another bottle cap. So I think that makes me tied with last Friday. Geez, another bottle cap. Where I live, you got to pay to get in there. I don't know what this thing is. So I just don't want to be, a jerk. Oh, a little bitty blade. And call somebody, mess their fishing up. Some type of washer, I guess. Oh, knife. Let it be a good one. Nope. Well, I don't know. This is a, ooh, yeah, it's kind of rough. No, this thing might clean up. Looks like it might be a Spyderco. Man, that blade's kind of rough. Shoot. Daggone it. It's kind of, it might clean up. Put in some vinegar. On it. Whatever it is just does not want to come. Oh, wait a minute. The hell's this thing? Oh, you know what? I bet it's part of a chair down there. Yep. Yeah, it's part of a chair, I bet. I think I might have the rest of it now. Holy shit. Yep. Ah, oh, damn. Whew. Oh, great. Well, that fell in. Crap. This thing has been down there for a long time. Ow, that did not feel good. Yeah. Yep. That sucker has been there for a long, long time. Yeah, it's metal. Hell with it. It's going in the bucket. Man. Jeez. And here I thought this place was going to be, I've got something else down here, I think. Fished out. What is that? Oh, come on. It's heavy, whatever the heck it is. Oh, shoot. I hope it's not another damn chair. See bubbles coming up. Yep. Ah, crap. Whew. Shoot, it feels like it's slipping. Ah, come on. Whew. I don't know if you can see the magnet. Oh, shoot, magnets on there on an angle. Ah, come on. Daggone it. I couldn't tell if it was part of a chair. It was rectangular, whatever the heck it was. You know what? Got it here, might as well get it out. Mr. Boat Hook. I might have to end up making a scrap run. I need to go back through the stuff from the train bridge because there's a lot of spikes I want to keep, and I need to get the wire wheels for my cordless drill and clean them up, plus that little section of track. Yeah, I think it's on here. Come on. Ah, dang it. Shoot. Come on, stay on. Crap. Come on. There it is. I don't know how the hell that thing is, but let me get this loop around my wrist. Oh shit, my arm's too short. Yeah, it's what it is. It's a chair. Good God. Oh, jeez. Let that thing piss out. Ugh. Man. Man, there's all kind of fish and stuff stuck to this. Man. Oh hell, got a soda can in it, or a beer can, one of two. That thing is ancient. It's old PBR can. Dang. Man. Jeez. Good gracious. Whew. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut all this off because there's probably critters living in it, and oh shoot, somebody was in that truck. What the hell's that? I don't know, but that's some good scrap. Oh, you know what? Man, we could use this as we can use this to make another dredge. Yeah, that's perfect. Man, that's perfect. Yeah, that'll be perfect for that. Can add this to that piece we found. Man. Yeah, I got to get thinking of how I'm going to work that, because you know this. Oh, this was going to be perfect. It's what I could do. I think that rebar I cut would probably fit into here. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh yeah, man. What else here? Dang. Come on. Don't let it be another chair. Good Lord. Holy shit. Holy shit. Good Lord. Good Lord. Damn. This thing is freaking insane. Holy crap. Damn. I mean, I know this is just a junky knife, but good Lord. Good night. Daggone. Holy crap. Jeez. Okay, friends, I'm going to call it a day. It's about 11:30. tell you what, this was one heck of a successful day. I'm gonna show you a lot of the crap in here. 2 batteries, just a bunch of sorted pieces of metal. There's at least about 22 bottle caps there. 2 knives. I'm hoping this orange-handled one's a Spyderco, and that it'll clean up. This rock, I don't know. Hopefully it's a meteorite, but I doubt it. I've got probably 3 or 4 sets of fishing bells, some sinkers, which I'm going to turn around and use them on my other grappling hook. This piece of L bracket, I'm going to end up using that to make a dredge for over at that train bridge. And this pile of crap over here is those are pieces of fold-up chairs. That's a little folding crab pot, and then this gigantic some kind of oriental knife. So it has been a good day. I still think there's stuff to be found here. I don't know when I'll come back, but this was definitely a good spot. So hopefully I'll get this uploaded today. So, you know, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and then also hit the notification button. If something in here you don't like, please let me know, because at the end of the day, you know, I'm just doing this for you guys as subscribers. So everybody have a Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you later.